Okay, today we're going to quickly have a look at the rapid shutdown device on the modular type. So we did the string rapid shutdown, the string type, where you put your strings in, two strings out. If the shutdown, this comes to the roof, and then you would just put that emergency switch at the bottom as well. So it can switch off close to your panels, because you can put it close to your panels, your two strings coming in, but there will still be live wires around. But yeah, so this is the modular type, and there's quite a lot of wires, but it's not that complicated. But let's quickly have a look on this. In the box you'll get, this is the 2P, you get a 1P as well, so you can use it for two panels, basically as it's shown there. So you can you have different options. So I just brought in the 2P. So let's just look at the 2P, what will be happening. So first of all, the panels has to be less than 60 volts, which is quite fine, most of them are. So the two panels come up, and then you get your rapid shutdown device, RSD, and then they basically go to, you link them up and they come in and they go to the next string, and then we've got a wire that's got 24 volts that's basically going to your control box. So very nice, all the it's a very nice manual. I haven't seen such a big manual on solar products for a while. But yeah, then there's quite a lot of specs, but the design lifetime is 25 years. Not all of the countries do take it in, because they've got a problem with the MC4s. Nothing wrong with the electronics, but the MC4s, the connections, people make it, so there can be a fault. So these are tests, it's done by the fabric. Let's first look at what's happening here. So these two wires will go to one string, and these will go to the other string, and these will basically link your strings from the one string to the other string. And then they've got, the quality of these wires are really good. You can feel it, but it's got the two plugs, so you're gonna link these as well. So they are also designed to be watertight. So basically there's the male and the female, so the one string will go to the other string if you've got, depending how many strings panels you've got on, or not string, the panels. So yeah, then it will go nicely in there. So this box material is sealed, and these hooks basically just go on the back of the panel. So I basically have a small 50-watt panel, but the frame is basically the same, the aluminium frame. So it will simply go to the bottom or the top, depend on your installation. It will simply go, there you go, then it will go to the bottom of your panels. Your wires will go to this side, that side, and I actually took it off, and then it really fits very good. It's stainless steel as well. So yeah, just go quickly through it. So it's 120 volts DC, the input. The output max is 240. It's 18 amps, MPPT voltage 12 to 120 volts, maximum input current, so 1500 volts, and it's got the CE marking. So yeah, all certification and everything. Let's just look at the control box. The control box is also very nice. All their products are very nice packed. Also comes with a decent installation manual. We'll look at it now. Nicely packed. you'll get your, I'm sure this will be the wire that you put in the power from the grid. So basically we've got too many load shedding, so but you will put it on this, you know, on your breaker. So basically here's also the emergency switch. So as soon as anything happens, you can stop it. There goes the wire, so this will go from the one side to the other side, up to 200 meters. We can get some of these extensions as well, but yeah, plain and simple. I'm not going to go into too many details, so just look at the quality. They also have these for the boxing, for the shipping, so you put it out and then you can fasten it, and you can also, I think, put it on the top if you want. But yeah, so this is basically the box. There's all the specs. It's DC 24 volts, output current. If it goes above 80 degrees on this controller box will pick it up. If it goes above 80 degrees, it will shut down in any way. Doesn't matter on which part of the system, it will shut down. If it goes below, say if it's very hot in the sun or for some reason it goes below 80 degrees, it will switch on again. So, and then if there's emergencies, at least you can put it off to the panel side. At this stage, most of the people can only put it off at the PV combiner box and all the wires going up. You cannot switch up, down, even for maintenance. If somebody's working there, doesn't have to be your solar man. It can be your DSTV man on the roof or inside the roof or the electrician. So yeah, we need to switch off the systems so that it is safe. So yeah, this is a solution. And then also we are in negotiations. We're very close. I post a video of the PV stop. Quite a few loops to jump through, because that's the total easiest solution to switch down in case of emergencies. But I also do believe there's place for electronics, and there's also, like I say, the biggest problem, some of the countries don't allow these systems basically, or don't want to, TUV doesn't want to really give certification on some of it, because they are very concerned about the MC4s, and that's why we got the solution, which is also the DC arc box. If you haven't seen the unboxing video that I did, or the video, just go and have a look. But yeah, basically these are refractory material, and there's a video of it as well. So basically you put your MC4s inside there, simple. The refractory material, very decent, for damp. Also design life of 20 years, 25 years, same as these, so that they will also keep up with your panels. That's 25 years. So you're basically just going to shut it down, and if there's a problem inside there, the fire will stay inside here. Test done, a Viridium from the Netherlands. So yeah, very excited about this product as well. So the systems can become expensive to do all these safety features, but if you don't do it right, I mean, it's your property, you're gonna lose out. So yeah, this is the rapid shutdown switch, modular type, done. Just a quick look through this manual. All the spec sheets. Maximum is 30 units on the 2-piece, so it will be 60 panels. Wall mount can handle temperatures minus 30 to 70, and then it will disconnect basically. And yeah, there's also the warranty. The warranty is a 25-year lifespan with a 5-year warranty.